Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the second part of UPSSC exams conducted in 2024. Now this paper is of UPSSC eye testing officer. In this paper I have covered only GS and computer part that was there in the question paper. Now let's start without any delay. Tissues connect and support part of body and transport or store material are connective tissues. Metabolism process involves growth, repair, reaction, reproduction. Pathology, study of change in structure and function of body in disease. Bacteria lacks rigid cell wall is mycoplasma. Eukaryotes with rigid cell wall and classic cell nucleus is fungi. Diffraction is not a property of laser light. Remember this, it's not a property. Louis de Broglie wave particle duality of light. Snell's law diffraction of light. There are 7 hand washing techniques by WHO. First, university based attempt to build a computer is by Iowa State University. Terminal that does not process or store data is dumb terminal. File backup is the process of creating and storing a copy of data. Abstraction is the process of simplifying complex concept by removing unnecessary details. Throughput, the rate at which data can be processed or transferred, often measured in bits per second. Clock speed, a metric that measures the number of operations performed by a computer per unit of time. The process of distributing tasks across multiple processors to speed up the computation is parallel computing. Big O notation, a framework used to describe the efficiency of algorithm in terms of input size. Now, what is RFID? Radio frequency identification in context of Internet of Things or IoT. SMTP is simple mail transfer protocol. DPI is dot per inch. Now we will discuss computer memories. Bit, smallest information unit in a binary state, 0 or 1. Byte is composed of 8 bits, and kilobyte is 1024 bits, megabyte is 1024 kilobytes, and gigabyte is 1024 megabytes. And it's for large NSD video and program savings. Morpheme is study of a smallest unit of a meaning in a language, common in linguists. ALU performs arithmetic and Boolean logical calculations. Maximum number of rows in MS Excel 2007 was 1,48,576 rows. Basic computational unit of CPU is core. Tiger is not found in Ashokan pillar of Sarnath. Devanagari script evolved from Brahmi script. Author of Linguistic Survey of India is George Abraham Gerson. Taj Mahal architectural plan was made by Ustad Ahmad Lohri. India's third best smart city 2023 award went to Agra, UP. Uttar Pradesh State Tourism Development Corporation was established in 1974. UP State Biodiversity Board established on 28 September 2006. Gorakhpur Zoo renamed as Shahid Asfaqullah Khan Zoological Park. Elephant reserves in UP. First was Shivalik Elephant Reserve established in 2009 in Saharanpur and Bijnor. Second was Tarai Elephant Reserve established in 2023 consisting of 4 Tarai districts: Lakhimpur Kheri, Bahraich, Pilibhit, Shahjahanpur. Now, Agra Barrage project on Yamuna River, Rajghat Dam project on Betwa River, Budaun irrigation project on Ramganga River, Kanhar irrigation project on Pagan River. Now, Paytm is a fintech company headquartered in Noida, UP. During later Vedic period, UP was known as Brahmarshi Desha or Madhya Desha. Speaker of UP Legislative Assembly is Satish Mahana. Maharishi Valmiki Airport is in Ayodhya, we all know. Central Institute of Goat Research is in Mathura. Central Institute for Cattle Research in Meerut. National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources in Lucknow. Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Ijjat Nagar, Bareilly. First airport in India to make announcement in Sanskrit is Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Varanasi. Buddha's first sermon was delivered in Sarnath. Thank you. Now see you in the next video. We will discuss question paper of UPSSC Dental Hygienist, only GS and computer part. Thank you.